Welcome back to our video course on the basics of personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. In this video, we will be discussing the importance of setting financial goals and prioritizing spending. Financial goals. Setting financial goals is an important step in managing your finances. Financial goals can be short-term, such as saving for a vacation, or long-term, such as saving for retirement. Having clear financial goals will help you stay motivated and on track with your budgeting and saving efforts. Types of financial goals. There are many different types of financial goals, including saving for a down payment on a house, paying off credit card debt, building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, investing in stocks or other investments, saving for a child's education. Creating financial goals. When creating financial goals, it's important to be specific, measurable, and realistic. For example, instead of setting a goal to save money, set a goal to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within 2 years. This way, you have a clear target to work towards, and you'll be able to measure your progress. Prioritizing spending. Once you have set your financial goals, it's important to prioritize your spending in order to achieve them. This means putting your money towards the things that are most important to you, and cutting back on the things that are less important. Creating a spending plan. One way to prioritize your spending is to create a spending plan. This is a plan that outlines how you will spend your money each month. The plan should take into account your income, expenses, and financial goals. Tips for prioritizing spending. Here are a few tips to help you prioritize your spending. Track your expenses. Keep track of how much you are spending in each category, and look for ways to cut back. Be realistic. When creating a spending plan, be realistic about how much you can afford to spend in each category. Be flexible. Be prepared to make adjustments to your spending plan as your circumstances change. Conclusion. Setting financial goals and prioritizing spending are both important steps in managing your finances. By setting specific, measurable, and realistic financial goals, you will be able to stay motivated and on track with your budgeting and saving efforts. By prioritizing your spending and creating a spending plan, you will be able to make sure that your money is going towards the things that are most important to you. Remember that this is a continuous process. Review and adjust your financial goals and spending habits as needed. Thank you for watching this video on setting financial goals and prioritizing spending. In the next video, we will be discussing creating and managing a budget.